Hello, I am Melanie. I was a doctor. I study the body. I study the brain. This is the brain. The brain is very, very important for English. This is a map, a blueprint of your brain. Do you want to speak English? Yes? Then we must look at the brain. Look at this red part. This is the thinking part. Do you study grammar? Rule 1, Rule 2, subject, verb. This is the red path. It is very hard. It is very slow. When you think about rules, the brain is hot. The brain is tired. This is learning, but not speaking. Now look here. This is the easy part. This is for stories. When you listen to a story and you understand, this part of your brain lights up. It is blue. It is cool. It is fast. The words flow out. This is acquisition. This is how you actually have English in your head. But wait, there is a problem. This is a wall, a stress wall. Are you worried? Oh no, my English is bad. Oh no, a mistake. When you are worried, the wall goes up. The English words hit the wall and go away. The brain says no to English. Why? Because of this cortisol. This is cortisol. It is a chemical in the body. Stress makes cortisol. Cortisol is like a fire. It blocks the brain. When you have cortisol, you cannot acquire English. The wall is too big. So look at the difference. Rules, no. Stress, no. Hard work, no. Stories, yes. Relaxing, yes. The blue path is best. How do we stop the wall? It is easy. Relax, sit down, drink tea, listen to a story. This is gentle input. No rules, no stress. Just listen and understand. When you are relaxed, the wall goes down. The brain says yes. Your brain is like a sponge. A sponge absorbs water. Your brain absorbs English, but only when you are happy. Listen to a story, and the English goes into the sponge. It stays there. This is the easy brain. This is the science. We want the brain to be open. We want the English to be fast. This is the best way to speak. You can start today. It is very simple. Relax, breathe, listen, watch my stories. Watch, listen, and relax. I'll see you in my stories. Goodbye.